Welcome to this Windows channel, and this is the Tech News Update. We are Thursday, August 3rd, 2017. And today in our Tech News Update, we have a problem with spam apparently that is happening with the Xbox Live accounts. A lot of people are actually complaining that there's tons of spam. Microsoft knows about it. Microsoft has actually released a statement saying, look, we know there is a spam issue. There's a lot of spam bots. What Microsoft says is don't click anything, any link. Don't look at anything. Just delete it. They are fixing it, and they say that in the next few weeks, things should be back to normal, as they are actually working on the problem day and night, apparently. A lot of people have actually been complaining lately. Toshiba is trying to get a consortium. Basically, they wanted to have SanDisk and different other companies at Western Digital in helping out in making, of course, 3D flash drive technology. But according to what happened, apparently talks failed and Toshiba is alone. So Toshiba said, well, the hell with it. We're going to do it alone, and we will build a state-of-the-art factory that will do new 3D flash drive technology. So kind of interesting here. A new insider preview was released yesterday for insiders in the fast ring. It's 16257. You want to know what it looks like? You want to know what's new? My review is coming up just a little later today. Also, if you're in the slow ring, 16251 was officially released for slow ring. That means in about a week from now, we should see the image file appear. And so you'll do a clean install if you want. Well, who is the biggest smartphone seller in the world, or maker in the world, basically? Well, it's really Samsung. Samsung, thanks to the fact that they have a large array of smartphones available, is the leading smartphone market, selling more than 360 million smartphones just in the last quarter. Unbelievable. Think about it. 360 million devices sold in the last quarter. This is really much more than what Apple does. Well, interesting. A UK study, and it is interesting, and by the way, it kind of confirms what I see also as a tech guy. A UK study says that 72% of online shoppers will actually discard their cart. You know, when you go shopping on an online site, you always have that little shopping cart, and when you click things that you want, it goes in the shopping cart. Well, they apparently 72% of online shoppers will discard the cart because when they get to the payment details, they ask so many questions that people just get scared. And in that same study, they asked people if they worry about security, and 76% of the people that do online shopping say, yes, we do worry about security. What that study says is that we need a new way to pay online, and that things are much more secure. And you know what? Actually, I think we need a way, a little bit like PayPal, we need a way that we can pay online without disclosing our credit card to everybody. I think that's something that we should not do, give our credit card to everyone. I think there should be a central point with credit cards, and the companies, they only get the cash, but they don't know no details of our cards. I would agree with that. And so, you know, I think online shopping has a long way to go yet to make everybody feel secure there. Mozilla Firefox is about to actually start rolling out a new feature that I think is pretty cool. It's a private share of files. So basically, what they want to do is a new service that would be called Firefox Send, where you could temporarily create a link to send up to a 1 gigabyte file to a friend, and after 24 hours the link will self-destruct, meaning that the file won't be available anymore. The file would be uploaded to a server encrypted, so nobody knows what's inside it, and of course after 24 hours it would be unavailable. So I think this is a cool idea, the cool idea of having also encrypted files online. And the cool idea of the self-destructing link is, I think, a cool way to share things between people. And finally, after promising for many years to do online video subscription service, a little bit like Netflix, Vimeo has now backed off, and they actually said why. It seems that after looking at the market, they say that competing with Netflix and YouTube would be so costly that it's not worth it to do a subscription service. So that they will continue actually providing a video service pretty much like they have right now, and that do not think of a subscription service ever from Vimeo apparently. And so this was the Tech News Update for Thursday, August the 3rd, 2017. You enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. If you have any comments, questions, suggestions, let us know. And thank you so much for following us on this channel.